Hello friends, let's do the question number 4.14. In a harbor, wind is blowing at the speed of 72 km per hour and the flag on the mast of boat anchored in the harbor flutters along the northeast direction. If the boat starts moving at a speed of 51 km per hour to the north, what is the direction of flag on the mast of the boat? What is the direction first of all? This is the east and this is the north. On the board there is a mast is the on the mast there is a flag is there. So this is a flag here. If I draw here the direction here, northeast direction, you can see this is the east and say it as this is the north. Now the flag is flutters in which direction? In northeast direction. So here this is the direction the flag is flutters. That means the flag is fluttering in northeast direction. What is the reason for? The reason is that the wind is blowing in that direction, right? So this is actually the velocity of wind direction. The velocity of wind direction. So this is a question is now talking about flag is now fluttering in northeast direction and the reason for that the wind is blowing in northeast direction. Okay. Now let's do in terms of vector notation. This is the east and this is the north. The direction of wind is here in northeast direction and we can mark it as VW, velocity of wind. So it is a vector notation. The boat is starting moving at a speed of 51 km per hour to the north. So just imagine the boat is moving due north. So I can draw here the another vector, that is the velocity of the boat as a vector quantity. Okay. So as you already know, this angle is equal to what? 45 degree. Now when the boat now start moving, now in which direction the flag will now flutters? Okay, when the boat was at rest, the flag was fluttering in northeast direction, but when the boat is now in motion, definitely the flag will flutter in which direction? Flag will flutter in the direction of relative velocity of wind with respect to boat. What is that? Relative velocity of wind with respect to boat. So VWB we have to calculate. So if you write the vector notation, you can write the VWB is equal to VW minus VB vector. Relative velocity of wind with respect to boat can be written as VW plus minus of VB vector. That means in order to find this relative velocity concept, we have to take the negative vector of VB vector. So this is the VB vector, that is the velocity vector of boat. Now I am changing the direction of VB without changing the magnitude, just taking negative vector of VB. So here I can write here that is the minus VB vector. Minus VB vector. Now what you have to calculate here? The resultant of VW and minus VB. So as you already know, in order to find the resultant of VB minus VB and VW, we have to construct a parallelogram. So first of all, we'll be constructing the parallelogram. Okay, constructing the parallelogram. So this side and this side must be equal in magnitude. Same way, the other side also should be parallel. How to draw the resultant vector? By drawing the diagonal. What is the diagonal is shown here? That is shown here VWB, relative velocity of wind with respect to boat. Now we can say that the flag will flutter in the direction of this relative velocity. So we have to calculate the angle now in this case. For that, what you are making here, what is the angle between the VW and minus VB? The angle between VW and minus VB. You can see here this is angle 45 degree, right? So definitely this angle also become 45. So 45 plus 90, this is 90. 90 plus 45, that is equal to 135 degree is the angle between VW vector and minus VB vector. And the angle between VW and OA vector as well as VWB vector. Say it as beta. Okay, say it as beta. So you can find here tan beta is equal to, what is the basic formula? As we already know, b sin theta divided by a plus b cos theta. So same formula if you use here, we can write here vb sin theta divided by, what is next one? that is the VW plus VB cos theta. Correct? Now substitute the value in this equation. We can write here tan beta is equal to, now what is a VB? The boat speed, right? It is given the 51 kilometer per hour. So no need to convert into SI unit, just write the 51 itself. 51 into sine theta. Theta is what? Theta is the angle between the VW vector as well as the minus VB vector. That is equal to what? 135. We have already drawn in the diagram. Divided by VW. What is VW? Wind speed. That is equal to 72 kilometer per hour plus VB once again 51 kilometer per hour into cos 135. So now you have to calculate here sine 135 and cos 135. So what is sine 135? Sine 135 can be written as sine 180 minus 45. That is equal to sine 45. You maybe learn this equation. Next one is cos 135. Right? Cos 135 can be written as cos 180 minus 45, which is equal to minus cos 45. So sine 45 is equal to 1 by root 2 and minus cos 45 is equal to what? Minus 1 by root 2. So you can substitute the value here. Tan beta is equal to 51 into 1 by root 2 all divided by 72 plus 51 into cos 135 is equal to what? Minus value, right? So minus 1 by root 2. That is equal to 51 into 1 by root 2 divided by 72 minus 51 into 1 by root 2. Okay. Now you have to do this calculation. So you will be getting the answer as almost tan beta is equal to 1.00339 you will be getting. Therefore, you can calculate here beta is equal to tan inverse of 1.0039. Just leave the 1.0039. It's almost 1 only, no? When you will be getting tan theta is equal to 1 or tan beta is equal to 1? When it is 45 degree, right? Tan 45 is equal to 1, no? So here it is not 45 because the value is 1.0039, more than 1 here. So the approximate value you can calculate or use the Clark's table, you can calculate the beta is equal to 45.1 degree. Here we got beta is equal to 45.1 degree. So we can write here the angle with respect to east. Okay, the angle with respect to east direction, which is equal to 45.1 degree minus 45 degree. 45 degree means what? The angle which is making towards the east direction, and from the east direction to the resultant velocity is what? That is given the 45.1 degree minus 45 degree, that is equal to 0.1 degree. So what is the main conclusion here? The flag will flutter almost in the east direction. Okay, or we can say that the angle with the east direction 0.1 degree, the flag will flutter so almost due east. Okay, so the flag will flutter almost due east. So this is a way to do this problem. Thank you all of you.